At number 1, we have the Arbortech Mini Turbo. This high-performance wood carving tool is designed for unmatched precision and efficiency, perfect for artists and professionals. Its durable carbide cutting teeth deliver smooth, clean cuts, minimizing the need for additional sanding. A standout feature is its ability to switch between carving and sanding, significantly reducing your finishing time. Compatible with standard angle grinders, it's easy to install and use right out of the box. The package includes everything you need. Arbortech Mini Turbo. Unleash your creativity and master your craft.
At number 2, we have the ARBORTECH Turbo Shaft. This precision carving attachment is built for detailed freehand woodworking, giving you exceptional control for deep cuts and intricate patterns. It features durable, replaceable carbide teeth and an adjustable depth gauge for enhanced accuracy and consistent performance. Perfect for sculpting, engraving, and even creating decorative templates on hardwood or softwood. Its compatibility with standard 4 to 4.5 inch angle grinders makes it a convenient and powerful addition to any workshop.
At number 3, we have the Arbortech Contour Sander. This innovative tool is designed specifically for intricate curves and hard-to-reach areas that regular sanders can't handle. Its mini orbital action and flexible pad prevent scratches, delivering a flawless finish on even the most detailed surfaces. Perfect for freeform curves, deep profiles, and complex woodworking projects of any kind. Built tough and compatible with most angle grinders, it's the professional-grade finishing solution you've been looking for.
At number 4, we have the ARBORTECH TURBOPlane. This versatile wood shaping blade is engineered for both rough shaping and fine finishing. It allows users to create flat surfaces, smooth contours, and detailed carvings with precision. Designed with high-quality carbide cutting edges, it offers excellent durability even when working with hardwoods. The tool can be used flat for leveling or angled for detailed sculpting, providing unmatched flexibility. Ideal for woodworkers who need a multi-functional tool, it delivers consistent and efficient results every time.
At number 5, we have the Arbortech Ball Gouge. This revolutionary tool is perfect for rapid hollowing and concave shaping, removing material smoothly and fast. Its anti-grab technology enhances safety by preventing sudden catches during operation. And with its self-sharpening, rotatable ring blade, it ensures long-term usability and efficiency. Ideal for carving wooden spoons, small bowls, and detailed sculpting projects. It's compatible with standard angle grinders. This tool is highly valued for its ability to produce clean, controlled hollows with minimal effort, making it a must-have for detail-oriented woodworkers.